Explore the interactive map link provided in the description section to immerse yourself in the path of the upcoming solar eclipse. You can trace the trajectory of this celestial event across North America. Don't miss this chance to witness the wonder of nature unfolding before your eyes. On April 8, 2024, North America will experience a solar eclipse, where the moon will appear to travel across the sun, blocking out its light. A lucky segment of Mexico, the US, and Canada will witness an awe-inspiring total eclipse. Other parts of North America will still see a partial eclipse, where the moon blocks out some, but not all of the sun's light. So what causes solar eclipses? A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the Earth and the sun and blocks the sun from our view. Partial eclipses occur about every 6 months, somewhere on the Earth. What is the wispy haze around the sun during a total solar eclipse? The corona is the outermost layer of the sun's atmosphere, and it is made up of extremely hot, glowing gas. We usually can't see the corona because the sun's surface shines so much more brightly. During a total solar eclipse, the moon blocks light from the surface of the sun, making it possible to see the ethereally beautiful corona. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon moves between the Earth and the sun, blocks the sun's light, and casts a shadow on the Earth. When the moon completely covers the bright disk of the sun, that's a total solar eclipse, and it happens roughly every year and a half somewhere on Earth. A solar eclipse is a rare event that not many get to see because the moon's shadow is relatively small. This limits the locations on Earth that get to see it. You have to be on the sunny side of the planet, and you have to be in the path of the moon's shadow. So if you find your area in the path of totality one year, you hit the jackpot, because on average that same spot on Earth will only get to see a solar eclipse every 375 years. During a solar eclipse, moon casts a shadow with 2 parts, the umbra and penumbra. The moon's umbra is part of the moon's shadow, where the entire sun is blocked by the moon in space. It's a cone extending some 400,000 kilometers behind the moon. It's when the small end of this cone hits the Earth that we experience a total solar eclipse. Most eclipse maps depicting the path will show you a circle representing the shadow of the moon. In actuality, the true shape of the umbra is more like an irregular polygon with slightly curved edges. This is because the moon isn't a perfect circle. It has mountains and valleys on its surface, which all affect the passing sunlight and subsequent shape of its shadow. And scientists now have a greater understanding of the shape of the moon's surface, thanks to NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. The unprecedented level of detail from the topographic maps, photos, and other data sets has allowed us to more precisely pinpoint the regions on Earth falling within the path of totality of a solar eclipse. So, if you get the chance to witness a solar eclipse, always remember that our little moon plays a role that's quite large.